How do restaurants make poached eggs look this perfect, with a soft center and a beautiful shape every time? In today's video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to make perfect poached eggs at home, even if you're a beginner. Stay till the end, and let me know which method is your favorite. Tip number 1. Take 2 small bowls or glasses and add some water to each one. Add a pinch of salt and stir well. The salt helps the egg whites hold their shape better while cooking. Now, gently crack 1 egg into each bowl, making sure not to break the yolk. Next, take a pan or a pot and add some water, just like I show in the video. Cover with a lid and bring the water to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, carefully place the bowls into the pan. Make sure your bowls are heat safe so they can handle the hot temperature. Now cover with a lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. And just like that, your poached eggs are ready. Carefully remove the bowls using gloves or a kitchen towel so you don't burn yourself. Then take a silicone spatula and gently go around the edges to release the eggs easily. Place them onto a plate and look at this, perfectly shaped poached eggs. Just like in a restaurant, the texture is soft, smooth, and perfectly cooked inside, not too runny and not too firm. This is exactly how I love my poached eggs. If you enjoyed this method, please leave a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? Tip number 2, take 2 small bowls and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to each one. I'm using apple cider vinegar, but regular vinegar works too. Now add a little water, just like I show in the video. Gently crack 1 egg into each bowl, making sure not to break the yolk. Next, take a pot and add about 1 liter of water. Cover with a lid and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, open the lid and lower the heat slightly. When the water becomes calm, carefully pour the eggs into the pot. Then increase the heat again until the water gently boils. You may see some foam appear on top. Simply remove it with a spoon. Cook for about 2 minutes. And just like that, your poached eggs are ready. Carefully lift them out, one by one, and place them onto a plate. Now just look at these, beautifully shaped, delicate, and perfectly cooked. Let's cut one open. Look at that creamy center, soft, rich, and absolutely delicious. This is restaurant-style perfection, made right at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.